How about this? A nice little Amazon review that sort of nicely encompasses a large portion of the reviews that live on Amazon. You want to read this review for us? Mo, first the product.
No, I'm not doing this.
What happened, Mo?
No, I'm not doing this.
You bailed right away. This is Dial Antibacterial Deodorant Bar, a pack of 3 gold bars, 4 ounces, 27,102 reviews, 4.5 stars. The people, they love it, actually. Here's the review, though. The product quality is average. The taste is unpleasant. It is not easy to use. And there is no foam. That's a 1-star review. So even though 27,000 people were more like 4.5 stars, this person was not happy with the taste of the deodorant bar of soap.
Oh,
and they also said it was not easy to use.
that seems like user error
Does it?
on my part.
Are you sure? Or maybe we're all doing it wrong, Will.
Yeah.
Maybe this person has it all figured out.
They're the trendsetter.
But it goes to show you guys, any one review, it's when it comes to data, you need to look across the board here.
Yeah.
You can't overestimate any one individual review.
How often do you read the reviews? I mean, you could see the stars, but do you actually read them?
There are some that are they definitely exist just for comedy, like really expensive items on Amazon. If you go to those reviews, they're all funny.
Right.
And people having a laugh about it. But I suppose there's a possibility that I would read a review for some certain product, but typically no. Typically, I would look elsewhere to find out about a product.
Really?
As opposed to Amazon. Like, yeah, I would go Google it. I would look to YouTube a lot. I would look to, I guess, Reddit in some circumstances. And sometimes even there would be still a designated forum, believe it or not, for certain topics. Like when I'm looking at sports equipment and stuff, those still exist, believe it or not, Will. Dedicated forums.
That seems appropriate
For the real
sport equipment.
For the real enthusiasts, you know? So I would go over there sometimes, but I'm not against it. It's just I don't always go down there. But now maybe I have to now because there's obviously pure gold comedy down there.
Yeah. Try some
It's fun. What's funny about that review is that it seems serious at first. The product quality is average. You're like, oh, okay. The taste is unpleasant. You're like, oh, God, here we go. And then it's not easy to use. It's like every other line doesn't make any sense.
Oh, yeah.
It could say the product quality is average and there is no foam. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Your soap is not super foamy and you like a foamy soap.
It's forgiving.
But it's the taste line and the not easy to use line where then things go. But maybe this person is just a creative writer.
Yeah. Could be.
That could be what it is. And the new form of high level art is in the review section of Amazon.
I'm actually just remembered another deodorant one that's very similar to this, where the guy was doing a video review, and it was one of those like rolly ones. And in the middle of his review, saying that it's like one of the worst deodorants he's bought, he realized that he hadn't taken the plastic cover off. So he was just rubbing this plastic.
He's just scraping his
Oh my
underarms.
God. Let me just follow up on the plastic cover topic.
Yeah.
Do you guys take the plastic cover off?
Yeah. What do you mean?
You too?
What do you mean?
Do you take the
You have to.
No,
I don't know where you're going.
I'm not talking about the cap. I'm talking about the clear plastic cover that's under the cap when it's brand new.
Yeah, but it's a hard cover, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I take it off.
You take it off?
Yeah.
You?
Will,
that
what are
a
you
legit
worried
question?
about?
Is that a legit question?
Yes, a legit question. Because
He
okay.
still won't answer. I'm really curious.
No, I know. He thinks I'm about to like trap him or something.
Okay.
But no, this is a thing where you can pull it off, but you can also just extend the deodorant.
No, but
You just when you begin
Extend it?
when you begin to turn the wheel in the deodorant,
Yeah.
the piece just comes off.
oh yes.
There's no
Okay.
need to struggle pulling it off.
It's never been a struggle for me.
No. What I'm trying to say is your instinct is to grab it and pull it
Yes.
off, but you can actually go to the next step
Which is, or yeah.
because you're
and
going to
then-
have to turn it anyway. You just start turning and it pushes off instantaneously.
Yeah. I thought you were going in.
the way that you worded it, man, it's like
You were really concerned. He was like, man, I'm going to tumble into something here.
yeah, you know.
He did not want to answer that question.
No.
Oh, okay.
All righty.